Very good afternoon, dear students. So, as you know that in our this particular CNC machine, basically we are performing different operations, different machining operations like on a cylindrical job, like facing operation, turning operation, step turning operation, knurling operation, threading operation, chamfering operation. So these are the different machining operations which we can perform on this particular CNC lathe machines. So today's experiment is about facing operations, in which we are basically, what is the facing operation is basically that we are trying to remove the material from this particular face of the cylindrical job. Okay, this is a kind of a cylindrical job, as you can see here is that. So this kind of a cylindrical job is fitted in this pre-jaw jack. Now in facing operation, basically we are trying to remove the material from this particular surface or from this particular face. So this is known as a facing operations. So this is our tool, and this tool will try to remove the material from this particular face or the surface. So basically, why the facing operation is so important in such a job or in such a part or a component is that while machining or manufacturing such a component, somewhere if suppose we need a dimension or we need a length of this particular job is suppose of a 10 mm, okay, and after machining or after the cutting operations, if we achieve the dimension of that particular job is around 10.02, 10.03, 10.05, so on, for example. So to achieve the exact size of that particular length of a 10 mm, we need to remove that excess material from that particular surface or the face. That's why we need a facing operations, or that's why we perform the facing operation on this particular cylindrical job. From here we will remove the material from facing operations. Now here you can see that this is our control panel, this is our display, this is our keyboard, and these are the buttons for operating our this particular CNC machines. From here we will try to feed our program for this particular facing machine, for this particular facing operation in this particular system, and this machine will understand, interpret those codes or those set of instructions, and that will run accordingly to that particular program. Hence the facing operations will our performed on this particular job. So dear students, here you can see that a small set of instruction or a program is fed over this particular machine. You can see that here we are using Z code or M code. Basically, as you know that in our earlier experiment, Z code are used as a preparatory function to prepare our machine, to prepare our tool, and M code are used as a miscellaneous function or a secondary function to operate our tool or over that particular job. So you can see that we have an example here like S1500, means that the spindle speed, means that in RPM, if we are going to calculate, if we are going to analyze the RPM of the spindle, it is around 1500 RPM. Okay, in similar fashion we have a M03 code. M03 code is used to rotate the spindle in a clockwise direction. So similarly we used different codes to operate such a operations or a procedure. Okay, now you can see that how we will operate this particular machine. On this particular CNC machine we have different options available. Now you can see that we have different options are available on the screen. We have a simulation operation over that. Now from here we can see that we can simulate our this particular operation on in this particular screen also, that if our process is going in a similar way or in a right direction or not. Okay, so look at that, we are executing that particular, and now you can see that our program is fed over that. After that you can see that our job is already fitted over that. The tool are coming in its position, and now the chuck is rotating or at its defined speed which we fed in a program. Now you can see that we start our process, and the tool start coming at the center of the job, you can see is there, and we start our operations. So how the facing operation is performed, you can see over here. You can see that, yes, look at that, because this is a kind of cylindrical job. So from one side if we start performing machining, so from all side it will start removing the material from that particular surface. You can see that. So now you can see that this particular process how we are going to perform. And the material from that particular surface or the face is removed.